a nice guy. Snow cone? No, don't worry. It's lemon.
Ooh, I can cook that. I love lemon ice. It's so sweet and so tangy, but where am I gonna get enough snow? Wait, I have an idea. I just so happen to have this rack of cone-shaped cups sitting in my kitchen for some reason, and I think the weather is calling for a snowstorm. Yeah, I think this'll work. I'ma just leave these here for now to collect the fresh snow. Definitely do not get it from the ground directly. We do not want to mix in any real yellow snow, if you know what I mean. Alright, let's head back to the scare floor to make our syrup. Start by combining water and sugar, then whisk until the sugar has dissolved. Then we can stir in lemon-flavored Kool-Aid powder and bring the pot to a rolling simmer. We want to boil just long enough to evaporate some of the water to make it into a light, syrupy liquid. Pour the syrup into a decommissioned scream canister and chill for several hours to make sure that the liquid is cold enough and that it won't instantly melt the snow. Speaking of the snow, let's go check on the cups outside. According to old wives' tales, there's less air contamination in the second snow, though I'm not really sure how much I believe that, which is why the alternative is just to crush up ice in a bag with a meat mallet until it's super fine and the ice is like the texture that you would get in a regular snow cone. It's colder than the Himalayas out here. Oh, they filled up nicely. Just some wind damage, but we can fix that. Now let's go back inside before the Abominable Snowman can find us. We'll work quickly with an ice cream scoop to reshape the snow into snowballs. Then drizzle the lemon syrup over the top of the snow so that it saturates evenly through the ice and all the way to the bottom of the cone. There's nothing scary about this snow cone, unless you're scared of snow, that is. This is one scoop of yellow snow that I will gladly eat. It's sweet, tangy, and oh so cold. And definitely meant just as a special treat and not as something that you should eat every time it snows. What fictional feast should I make next? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this recipe, don't forget to flip that sub button and ring the dinner bell so you can be notified of my latest recipes and foodie adventures that I post every week. Do you ever get hungry? Don't forget you can find this recipe and many more with ingredient amounts and step-by-step instructions over on thestarvingchefblog.com. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next episode.